Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to prepare a Bailey's chocolate cheesecake. It's the perfect treat for a special occasion. The ingredients, make sure they are at room temperature. Preparation: grease and line a large 8-inch loose-bottomed or spring-form baking tin with greaseproof or parchment paper. The method: sprinkle the gelatin over the cold water and set aside for 1 to 2 minutes. Then microwave for 30 seconds. Remove from the microwave, stir and set aside to cool. Now fill a medium pot with a little water and bring to boil. Then place a heat-proof bowl with the chopped chocolate over the pot of simmering water and heat gently. Make sure the bowl does not touch the water. Stir continuously until the chocolate is smooth and silky. Next, crush the biscuits. Then add the crushed biscuits and the melted butter to a large mixing bowl and mix well. Then evenly press the biscuit mix into the bottom of the prepared baking tin. Then refrigerate until it's required. Now whisk the double cream in the large mixing bowl until it just holds its shape. It should reach soft to medium peaks. Then add in the sugar and cream cheese to another large mixing bowl and whisk until smooth. Next, add in the Baileys and whisk. Then add in the dissolved gelatin that we had set aside to cool and whisk. Now add in the melted chocolate that we had melted earlier and again continue to whisk. Now fold in the whipped cream. Alternatively, you can whisk for 5 seconds. Then add in the chopped dark chocolate and mix. Now spoon the mixture over the biscuit base and level the top. This is a no-bake cheesecake, so refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Then mark out 6 sections over the top of the cheesecake and decorate with chocolate patterns of your choice. Then pipe cream rosettes. And gently squash a Malteser into the top of each rosette. Then finish off by sprinkling chocolate sprinkles. And once again, refrigerate overnight to set. Once the cake is set, remove the cheesecake from the tin and cut into 6 portions or more if you wish. Then transfer onto a serving plate. As mentioned earlier, it's the perfect treat for a special occasion. And there you have it, a delicious Bailey's chocolate cheesecake. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And please subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet.